and this is what my old one looked like. So when you take it off, there's a thread there, screw. You push the screw through, sit it in place, and that goes through the hole. And then this is where the pipes in and out. As you can see, return and reference there, high return. So the tools you'll need is something like that. That was a star key, but it's anything that fit. An Allen key might do that, and that's for the first one there. And then these are basically a simple flathead screw. So this is where the DPF exhaust sensor sits, and I've just changed it. Now on this bit here, it just pulled out because it was a grommet. You just pull it out. This one had to be screwed. As you can see, there's a screw there, so that had to be screwed. Then these two hoses, you might have different clips to this, but either way, you just loosen them off, slide them down, and then put them back on again. And then don't forget to replace the connector there.